Hey there guys, Danny here at Holt Nutrition. I want to talk to you guys today about creatine. Now, I know a lot of misconceptions are out there about creatine. We hear it every day here at the shop, but we wanted to fill in the gaps a little bit for everybody and just teach y'all a little bit about creatine so you have the knowledge in your hands and then you have the power to make educated decisions when you're trying to get the results that you're looking for. Now, first off, creatine itself, what does it do? The main thing that creatine does is creatine increases your body's ATP levels. Now, ATP is what your body utilizes for energy. So by increasing the amount of creatine in your body, you're going to be able to have more energy for your training sessions. Now, I know there's some people out there with some knowledge of creatine, and you're right, your body does produce creatine naturally. Creatine is naturally occurring, and we also can get it from red meat and fish. So it can be derived from some foods, and it's also produced naturally in the body. But here's the deal with that. Your body can naturally produce it, but just like anything else, amino acids, as well as glutamine, your body in stress conditions utilizes more creatine than it can produce on its own. So what happens is you get in the gym, you work out hard, and as soon as your body runs out of creatine, which is one of the essentials that it uses to produce ATP, which your body uses for energy, your body's sitting there like, well, I now can't produce higher levels of energy for you because I've ran out of creatine storage. How do you fix this? You take creatine before and after your workouts. Now, this is really important to take before your workouts, right before your workout that is, because your body's going to utilize that creatine during your workout. It's important also as creatine volumizes cells. That cell volumization gives you a nice fullness that you're looking for in the gym and gives you a better pump when training, helping you create better microfiber tears, and those microfiber tears then recover to give you more thick, full, dense muscle. Now, there's also some misconceptions out there about creatine, as I spoke of earlier. A lot of people are worried, well, creatine's going to bloat me. I don't want that water bloating look when I take creatine. And you're right. If you take some sources of creatine by itself, you will get bloated. Why is this? Now, this comes from creatines that are creatine monohydrate. When you hear monohydrate, know this. This is going to be the cheapest form of creatine. They'll run you 100 or 1,000 servings in a bottle, but it doesn't have its own delivery source. Now, without a delivery source, what happens is instead of the water going intramuscular with the creatine, like you're looking for that pump and volumizing your muscles and cells, what it does is it becomes subcutaneous water in between your muscle and your skin, which has the opposing effect in making you look bloated in the gym. Now, I know that's not what most people want. So what happens is when you take monohydrate, you're going to have to take a delivery source with it. What's a delivery source for creatine? Well, just like with protein or anything else, a good delivery source is quick-acting carbohydrates. For every 1 gram of creatine, you're going to need 5 grams of quick-acting carbs. Now, everybody knows that with creatine monohydrate, 5 grams is a full serving. How do we know that? Because each scoop is going to be 5 grams in any monohydrate. So how many carbs are you going to need? 25 in total, if you use a monohydrate. Now, you could go with a better form of creatine altogether. Things that are like creatine hydrochloride, creatine glycerol phosphate, or things that are like creatine nitrate. And creatines like this are going to help your body fully utilize the creatines because they have a built-in delivery source. Alright guys, that's my 2 cents on creatine. Any questions, feel free to email us, shoot us a text, or stop by the shop. Talk to you soon guys. Bye.